Hello YouTube. Welcome to Green Tech Channel. Before starting the video, please hit subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to notify every update of the channel. Let's begin. In this video I am talking about online job in Nepal. Many online job is scam, but this which I am talking about is legal. It is paying a lot of member who have joined this job. The site name is gptplanet.com. Let's talk more about this site. GPT Planet was launched in October 2010 and founded by Dimitrios Kornamatos from Athens of Greece. To earn money we have to register this site. To register, click on register. Then you will see a form where you have to fill your information correctly. First fill your full name, then username, then email, then confirm your email, then date of birth. Then fill password and confirm password. To complete registration we need to have bank account of these method. Lastly, complete the given captcha and click register. Well, I have my account so I will not register. The main thing is do not register one or more account. The account will suspend. After registration, log into the account to your username, password, and fill the given captcha, and log in. After logging in, you will see your dashboard. Then complete your security question answer and save it. Here you can find your account summary. In your account summary, you can find balance, pending bill, payment received. After account, you will see advertise. Here you need to buy your ads and rental ads. After advertise, click on view ads. Here you need to see your ads by one click. First you can find fixed ad which is $0.001. Then you can find $0.0005. When you come down the earning will be low, $0.0002. Don't worry, as you progress you can find more ads earning. Now we will click one ad. It will transfer to new tab and you have to wait for some time, until the timer completes. After completing the timer, you will find a captcha to complete. Click on upside down image. After that go back and see, the ad is seen, and it will increase your balance. Like this you can complete your ads. Now I will see one more ad. Click it will transfer to new tab and you have to wait for some time, until the timer completes. After completing the timer, you will find a captcha to complete. Click on upside down image. After that go back and see, the ad is seen. You can also find the balance is increasing. Now move on to GPT Greed. Like family clicks, every PTC site has GPT Greed. Here also it has GPT Greed. You can earn maximum $1. It will give you 10 chance daily, so if you win you will get $1. It has some small boxes where you have to click and view ads. It will transfer to new tab and you have to wait for some time, until the timer completes. If you are lucky you will get $1. If you are not then it will say sorry. Try it, it's like a lottery game. Now click on PTC wall. Here you can find ads that you need to view. At the side there is amount, in per ads. View all ads, and earn as much as you can. Now next is PTSU, that means paid to sign up. Here you can find a link. When you click and make account, you will get the money according to it. Talk about withdraw your earning. To withdraw you must have at least $1 as it says. It needs $2, but $1 also okay. I have withdrawn many times. As you reach $1, you can see the withdraw method. Keep your account number correctly and press OK. Now it's not showing because I don't have $1. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please hit like button. If you find any missing in this video, please comment and share it to your friend and relative, and don't forget to like our Facebook page. The link is in the description below. And also visit our website. Thank you, and see you soon.